Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters and my returning supporters. Very welcome. Well, today's topic is what I got for Christmas. And I have to separate these in different parts because otherwise, this video will be too long. So, for today, I have two items I want to show you guys what I got. The first item is from Fox Outdoors. And I want to tell you guys this. I don't get paid or anything from them at all. So this is on my own. They don't sponsor me at all. So I want to show you this. This is a neat little thing. I put that away. This. I got a nice spoon, and we take that in, and I have a fork, and I will have a knife here somewhere. Well, it has lot of tools, and I haven't had the chance to try these out. So, well, this is what I got for Christmas. Nice, sweet little tool from Fox Outdoors. I'm just familiar with the brand, but I have never been on their website before until yesterday or day before yesterday, and we have a nice little corkscrew as well. So, this is a neat little tool, and, well, you can separate the this, so you can have one fork in that hand and the knife in the other hand. It's a neat little tool, nice. Can opener and bottle opener. Really neat actually. So this is one of the things I got for Christmas. And the next one will be a really neat little thing. Actually, it is a first aid kit. Well, neat little bag. But I was surprised how much room it is in this little bag. As you see, it's a lot of space. I'm gonna see if I can get these open better. So, well, it contains gloves, one bandages, wet wipes for cleaning wounds, and some plasters. That is what it comes with. But what I like with this is you can add your personal stuff, what you want to have, and what you can find useful. So I will add another thing I got for Christmas, jungle oil. It is for effective protection against mosquitoes and ticks. So it looks like this. Sorry, I'm a little bit shaky. So this little oil fits perfectly in here. And do you guys have any ideas what I can add to this more? Do you have any ideas what can be useful to add to this kit? So that is what I have for today. And I'm sorry that I didn't have time to put up some videos last week. I have too much things to do, too busy, so I didn't get any time to make any videos. And I feel a little bit sad about it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching and your support. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget, if you want to make a donation to my channel, you can do that on my PayPal account. And I will put that in the description box, as usual. And please visit my merch store, my channel merch store, and see if you can find something you like. So, guys, I have to jump off now. So, until the next time, in the next video, Shadow Scout Swede out. Stay safe and be prepared.